Welcome to my channel. How to factory reset any wireless printer in minutes. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your wireless printer is powered on before starting the reset process. Wait until it finishes any startup tasks and is in a ready state. Step 2. Cancel any active jobs. If the printer is printing or has pending print jobs, cancel them first. This helps prevent errors during the factory reset. Step 3. Open the Settings menu. Use the printer's control panel or touchscreen to open the Settings, Setup, or Menu option. The exact name may vary depending on the printer brand. Step 4. Find the Reset option. Scroll through the settings until you see options like Reset, Restore Factory Defaults, or Restore Settings. Select the Factory Reset option. Step 5. Confirm the reset. The printer will ask you to confirm your choice. Select Yes, OK, or Confirm to begin restoring the factory settings. Step 6. Wait for the reset to finish. The reset process may take a few minutes. During this time, the printer may restart automatically. Avoid turning it off while the reset is in progress. Step 7. Restart the printer. If the printer does not restart on its own, turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 8. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Since the factory reset removes saved wireless settings, reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network using the Wireless Setup Wizard or your printer's companion app. Step 9. Install or update the printer driver. On your computer or mobile device, make sure the correct printer driver is installed. Updating the driver can improve compatibility and performance after the reset. Step 10. Print a test page. Finally, print a test page to confirm that the printer is connected and working properly. If everything prints correctly, the factory reset was successful. Thanks for watching.